Welcome back to another video. If you didn't watch the last video, make sure you go watch that. I will link that in the description. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all seen that I said I need a new lower control arm. So I just left O'Reilly's and went and picked that up. So let's get this car jacked up and get to it. So, as I was saying, I was telling you that I need a low control arm. I can't shake it right now because I'm standing the wrong way, but yeah, it's loose. So, we're finna get that changed out. So, we gotta do, unloosen this, and this. And also take the clamp off this and unloosen this. So, let's get to it. So yeah, I finally got this lower control arm off. As y'all can see, this is toasted. That's done for. Whole car was shaking. This part pretty good, but you know, we're gonna still changing that. But the end link was actually seized on there. I had to take it off from the sway bar. Then like it came off though. It came off. But we're finna get this thing switched with the new one. And hot, I was getting aggravated. The aggravator had to come out the shirt. But I'm about to sit y'all down. I'm finna get this new lower control arm on. see. So I actually got the new little control arm on. I actually had to go get another end link, so because it was script, got everything back on, tightened up. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Nothing, just something a little simple I wanted to do just because I was doing it, just to have more content. So yeah, we done. Make sure you hit that like, follow and subscribe, and go check out the last video that I just posted in the description. See y'all later.